Hey guys, Evan X here. I have got a original effect. It's got some parts that are from another trick that I've seen, but the overall impression, the overall effect, I would say is pretty original. Yeah, I mean I'd say pretty original. So we'll go ahead and go with that. Anyway, so what I'll need this what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide up the cards into 4 relatively even piles, but it really doesn't matter because I'm not going to be in charge of a whole lot here. Really, the spectator is going to be in charge of most everything about this trick. So what I need the spectator to do in this instance is go ahead and pick one pile that they want me to work with. And I'm not even tell you what I'm looking for here, but just pick one pile. Let's say they pick this pile right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 cards here. Now we actually only need 10. But the number 2 is what we were over 10. That's a very special number now. So let's pick 2 cards out of here. Let's say they pick this one and this one to get us down to our 10 cards. And they can put that anywhere they want, on top of any of these piles, whatever they want to do. It will work out just fine. So now we've got exactly 10 cards. So the number 2 is special. So the number 2 is what we're going to use over and over again in this trick. So if we count off 1, 2, and we go ahead and cut the cards right there, I'm going to have you memorize what was the second card off that pile. So we got that memorized, I hope. Okay, so we're going to say now we're going to get it lost. So here's how we're going to get this card lost. We're going to move it 1, 2 to the bottom. But we're also going to do something very cool to really shuffle this up. We're going to go through this twice. You're going to call out any numbers that are going to end up equaling up to 10. So you can call out, like you say 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you call out 2, 3, and then 1, 1, whatever. Let's do this twice. If you called out any random numbers, say there was somebody here, they might call out 4. Let's say they call out 3. Say they call out 1. Say they call out 2. Okay, and then we'll do it one more time for our 2 to the magic number. 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, whatever. Okay, and then we're going to just go ahead and just give the cards a cut. And one more time, we're going to move exactly 2 cards from the top to the bottom, just like that. Okay, so now all we're going to do is we're going to deal and duck. Deal, duck, deal, duck, deal, duck, deal, duck, deal, duck, all the way around until we have 1 card, and that should be yours. But that's really not all that we can do here, because if we look, we'll find that the second card, 1, 2, of all 4 of these piles, let's go ahead and just separate these out. If we do it all 4 piles just like this, if we did this right, if the magic is with us today, all 4 of the bottom of these piles should be all 4 kings. That is the 4 piles.